When you're using Cramer's rule to solve systems of linear equations, what happens when you run into the case where there is no solution, or where there are an infinite number of solutions? Let's take a look at these special cases. As a reminder, to find x and y, we need d of x divided by d, and for y, we need d of y divided by d. I'm not going to go over how to use Cramer's rule. That is covered in part 1 of this video. Let's take a look at our first problem. We're going to find d first. To get our determinant, we take 15 times -6 minus -9 times 10. And we get -90 plus 90, and we get 0. Right away, you will see this is a problem because the determinant, d, is in the denominator, and we cannot divide by 0. So we have, for x, we're going to have d of x divided by 0. When we have 0 in the denominator, that means one of two things. One, there are no solution, or there are an infinite number of solutions. To figure out which one, we have to find d of x. So let's do that. D of x is 6, 4, -9, -6. And here we have d of x, 6 times -6 minus -9 times 4, and we get 0. For x, our d of x is going to be 0 over 0. When there is a 0 in the numerator and a 0 in the denominator, this means we have infinite number of solutions. Let's look at the second problem. And I think you know what this one is going to be. Our determinant is equal to 3 times 4 minus 6 times 2, and we get 0. When the denominator is equal to 0, we will have one of two possibilities: infinite number of solutions or no solutions. To figure out which one, we need to find the numerator. So we're going to look for d of x. Our d of x is 48. So our x is going to equal to d of x divided by d, which is equal to 48 over 0. In this case, when there's a number that is not 0 in the numerator, divided by 0 in the denominator, this means that we have no solution, or the empty set. Here's a recap on the two special cases we have. When you're dividing by 0 and the numerator is 0, that means you have an infinite number of solutions. When you are dividing by 0, our determinant is 0, and our numerator is a number that is not 0, that means there are no solutions. It's an empty set. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, or if you didn't but you learned something new, add a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.